We are Serum Institute of India, the world's largest vaccine manufacturer, trusted to protect millions of lives every year. And with that responsibility comes a promise to rely on ourselves so the world can rely on us. To produce billions of vaccine dosage every year requires tons of clean steam. Steam is the most essential utility required for any sterile pharmaceutical manufacturer. The vaccine process involves sterilization at every manufacturing step, be it for raw material, garments, utensils, process vessels, etc. For decades, industrial heat has been fueled by furnace oil, a heavy, expensive and carbon-heavy byproduct of petroleum. While it gets the job done, the cost is high, volatile global prices, high sulfur emissions, and a massive carbon footprint that lingers for generations. With the visionary leadership of our chairman, Dr. Cyrus Poonawalla, in 2009, we decided to embark on a clean fuel path and reduce carbon footprint. As a pilot project, 8 TPH biomass boiler was commissioned in the year 2011 to study the environmental and commercial impact. The results emerged us to have biomass-based boiler in all our future projects. By switching from furnace oil to biomass, we aren't just changing a fuel source, we are fueling a future where industry protects the environment and agriculture powers our growth. This isn't just an engineering win, it's a socio-economic revolution. For the farmer, crop residue was once a liability, something to be cleared or burned. Today, it is a new revenue stream. This has created a big social and economic impact on our region and paved the way forward for industries like us. Today, we have 55 tons per hour installed biomass boiler capacity, which generates around 900 TPD of steam, which suffice our daily steam requirement. The environmental impact of the biomass boiler is very huge, as it is a carbon-neutral process that reduces environmental pollution and global warming. Non-hazardous waste ash generated is further utilized for manufacturing bricks. We decided to take this revolutionary initiative one step ahead. At the end of the year 2025, we have commissioned a 0.75 megawatt cogeneration power turbine to generate electricity. The high-pressure steam generated by the biomass boiler first passes through a steam turbine to produce electricity for the plant. The low-pressure exhaust steam is then used for industrial heating processes. These initiatives are recognized by the Universal Carbon Registry, that is UCR, and awarded carbon credits for Serum's efforts. We have accumulated more than 300,000 credits, and some of which have been procured by leading entities within the European industrial sector. Carbon credits are to incentivize sustainable environment management by letting entities earn credits for reducing carbon emission and sell them to carbon-emitting users to offset their environmental impact. Carbon credits are available on the virtual trading platform for sale to carbon-emitting companies. With this initiative, we are offsetting 200,000 tons of carbon emission. Serum Institute of India is more than just a name. It represents an enduring legacy dedicated to the continuous betterment of humanity, and it will continue to do so.